Very tidy. 1.6 liter four-cylinder. It looks very well maintained. A little dusty, but nice. Have you changed the timing belt by chance? No?
No.
That's kind of important on these. I know
27,000 miles.
it is low mileage, but it's also an age thing too. There is something to do on this car. Otherwise, admittedly, it's about the nicest Miata I've seen in 10 years. Other than the timing belt, it is mint, which is a terrible way to open negotiations because I do definitely want to buy it. So what's 25 years of ownership history, love and care worth to you?